Yeah, welcome back to Flash Edu Consult. We are trying to copy figure 3. So this is how you will start. You will see that this is having an horizontal line. So from here, we have to draw an horizontal line, which I've done here. So I have to make a 4 cardinal points so that this can go up. Just see the way I'm doing it. Look at the way I'm doing that. No problem. Just come back to the image. So I need to draw a line like this. So just make sure, just take note that you're always making use of the 30 by 60 set square, and you're using the 30-degree side of the set square for everything you will do here. It is the 30-degree side you will use. So now I've been able to make this. Then I'll measure what? From here to here, it is 1.2. That's 12. You measure 1.2. 1.2. So I can still measure 1.2 here, but I need to get the distance of this, which is 4.2. So you measure 4.2. So you use the 30-degree side, like I said. You make use of the 30-degree side. Then 90-degree, so that it can come like this. You use 90-degree so that it can come like that. I'm sure we can all do this. Is the issue we'll just be having is how to get this 90-degree. So that is actually where we are going to. But let me just take my time to explain this part. You see that I'm always using the 60-degree side of the 30-degree side of the set square. So take note too. Kindly take note. I'm always using the 30-degree side, trying to join everything at the same time. As I'm joining, I'm noting my point. So this one I can choose to draw like this, and I can choose not to draw like that. It depends on you. So from here to here is 1.6. So when I measure 1.6 here, all I need to just do is to transfer it to the other side. 1.6, then I transfer to the other side. So there, I need to project this one up. That is why it is called projection. Isometric projection, meaning they are trying to project what you are seeing. No space. Okay, so from there we'll continue. So I can choose to finish up this one before proceeding to the next one, and I can choose to continue from the next one. So the choice is yours. So let me just continue. Let me finish up this one. What is the distance from here to here? From here to here, we don't know, but we should actually know, because from here to this edge is 4.2, and we've already taken 1.2, which is from here, which means 1.2 is taken from here, which means the remaining part will be what? 30. Do you understand? So 30. So when I measure 30, I should be having something like this. I'm going to crop all these things. It's not everything I will show. All this is I'm doing. They may call it Ekima video. I think you can see it. So from there, let's just project something like this, of this format. Let's make it like this, then like this. So we are going there. We are getting there. So distance from here to here is 6. From here to here is 6. So you measure 6. As for me, if I don't want to measure, I can still get. As for me, if I don't want to measure, I can still get an accurate result. I can still get an accurate result. But just to be on the safer side, I'm just measuring. Because I can tell you, I already know the length of all these things. That is because I've been practicing. So MEE is not just mechanical drawing. It means making extra effort. So let's continue. What's it? So you measure 7.2, which I've done here. So 7.2, I need to project it up. So there's no need for me to measure 1.2 because I've already extended the one of this towards this side. So from there, I just need to balance everything up like this. So now, this does not really have an accurate length. It's just like something is going inside. So as I've done like this, I need to make this one come inside. And how do I do that? I need to change the 30-degree side like this. So once I change it, you see, it's already here. It's already here already. So what do I need to do? I need to check what is the length from here to here. And the length from here to here is the same thing as what? The length of here to here, which is what? 16. So this one too will be what? 16. To be on the silver side, always write the length. The paper is yours. You can do anything you like on it. Do you understand? So that you will not get it confused. So you measure 1.6. So when you measure 1.6, you trace it up, you make it go up again. That is why the orthographic of this thing, is it orthographic? Yes. The front view, side view, and the likes is very simple. So now, what should we measure here? We already know that this is from here to here is 140, is 42, and we've taken 1.2 already. So the main one is 30, just like this one. So you measure 30. So after measuring 30, you do it the same way we've done the other one. So sorry, we are making use of short set square. It's because the materials are not complete here, so we have to just, and you know, we are not yet in school. We are just trying to make us learn while we are at home. So at least you have a view of what you are coming. I said something the other time that I don't need to measure before I know that I've gotten 6. Now let me prove myself. I will tell you this is 6. So I don't need to measure before I know that this is 6. So let's check if I'm actually accurate. Okay, this is 0.55 if I'm not mistaken. So let's just continue. So from there, you see, you know we're almost done. So let's just close it up. Let's close the, from here to here is 42, Abby. So I can choose to close it up by measuring 42, and I think I can use this one to close it up too. So let's just use this one to close it up. Do you understand? So your thickness, you can do it later. So from there, let's bring down this. Let's bring down this. Let's check out. This is actually where students make mistake, and the reason is because it's not because maybe they don't know it or whatever, but it's because they've not gotten how to go about it. Now we have something like this. Look at this part. You see this part? This is 30. But from here to here, from here to here, they said is what? 20. Look at it very well. From here to here is 20. So, which means a line is starting from here. A line is starting from here, and you measure it as what? 20. So now let me measure from this down, up, 20. If I measure like this, I have not gotten an accurate result. You know why? Because the ruler might be bending or might be like this. So I don't need to stress myself. This is what I need to do. Since I know everything is 20, and I have gotten 1.2 already from here, which means from here for here is 1.2. So it means I have 0.8 left. You understand? To make it 20. So let's cuckoo from here, measure 0.8. That is on this side. We'll measure 0.8. Sorry, the video is kind of getting longer. Oh. It's not meant to be. Anyways, just take your time so that you can understand. So I can understand it better. So from there, you will see that I've been able to get an accurate way of going about it. So after I get that 8, I've gotten the 20. So after getting the 20, look at, from here to here is 16. Then from here to here is what? 18. Then from here to here is 6, which means from here and here, the length is what? 18 plus 6. You will not count this one again because we already have it here. So let's count 18 plus 6 is 24. So which means where this one is actually meeting this point, you measure what? You measure 18 and 6. And where is 18? This is 18 and this is 6. I don't know if you are getting me. I think you are following. So from there, we need to finish up something. We need to project them up. You see that I'm still making use of what? Of the 30-degree side and this 90-degree side. I'm not even touching this. So from, I think you understand now. So this one is coming inside. That one will now what? Touching this one. Let's see. If you've done the right thing, you should actually touch. If you've done the right thing, like I said, you should actually touch. Okay. Pause it. So you measure 7.2, which I have done here. So 7.2, I need to project it up. So there's no need for me to what? To measure 1.2. We have, since we have 6 here, we have 6 here. We have 6 here, which means this one and this one should be 6. So I've measured 6 and I already projected it here. So let me measure 6 here as well. When I measure 6, all I need to just do is what? Join the point towards this. You can just use your hand like this. I think you understand. So I'm trying to make my work thick. So from there, let's just do the finishing. So this one can just come in. You see the way it's coming in. It's coming in as if it is not even what? It is not even needed. You see? You see? So we are almost finishing up our work. So since we've gotten 6 here, so here you just extend it up. And how do you do that? You use the what? The 30-degree side of it, which is this part. You see that the one we are doing is not like the one you've seen there. You see? So what is the next thing? You measure 4.2. 4.2. So this one too will be 4.2. You measure 4.2. I don't know if you people understand, but I'm sure if you repeat the video over and over again, you will understand it much better. So from there, don't say let me use like this. No, you still have to what? To perfect it where and what? And make use of the 90-degree side. Sorry, the work is rough. Sorry, the work is rough. Like I said, we are not yet in school. We are just trying to make sure. So you just need to join this one to the appropriate part. Then we are good to go. Then we are good to go. So just the next thing is just to finish up. Make your work thick. Make your work thick. Stop. Don't try to what? Tick or ticking your work along the line, like in the process of still drawing. Make sure you are done with everything before you what? you start to make it thick before, because if you should start when you are still working, you might actually see that your work will be so much dirty. Even now, the pencil I'm using is not that good. And make sure that you don't sharpen your pencil, or you don't sharpen your pencil with blade with sharpener. I beg, pause that. Stop it. So here is the finishing of this particular drawing. Can you see that it's almost accurate, but we are having some double lines here, which means the work is not accurate. So all I will say is what? Not accurate. So if I'm to be your teacher, I'll be marking this maybe 7/10, because what? I can see some stains, and your pencil work is kind of very visible. It's like they are still affecting the drawing. So make sure your pencil work, the pencil you'll be using, will be more sharpened, not like this. Don't sharpen it with what? With sharpener. Make use of blade. So can you see that we are able to what? To project it. You see this angle is just trying to tell you that this one and this one, this one and this one should form 90 degrees, but that is not actually what you are actually focusing on. Is for you to what? To get a perfect way on how to go about it. So this is the perfect way on how to go about it. You see? So don't bother yourself doing all these measurements. Maybe you want to try and impress the lecturer. Please don't try anything like that. Just project this same way, but you can try to impress them with using your lettering to say Fig 3. That is if you still have time. But if you don't have time, just put number 3. That is all. I think we are good. Thank you.